set that to the side. Then you're going to use this tool that looks like a T. Slide it inside the socket. There is a little square that you're trying to aim for that square. I'll show you once I get this out. Slide that to the side. And then just pull the socket forward. Might have to wiggle it a little. It should slide right out. Just work it back and forth. Should slide out. There we go. And this T handle, it just goes into, there's two little squares on the side, right there, and on the other side, and that releases it from this housing right there. Pull that off. Disconnect the connector, just push down. Should slide out. Just like that. You want to take that housing off of there. That slides off. Now we'll slip the housing over the wiring harness. Slide that in position. Just like that. Connect the connector. And then this only goes in one way. There is some slots on here. So you want to find those slots and line those up. There's a slot right there. There's two slots right there. So find where those two slots line up. Right there. And just push it in till it's all the way flush. Then you're good to go.